So essentially, it is a treatment that is hailed as a miracle for cystic fibrosis, but only a miracle for those who can afford it.
Good morning, Michelle, to you and the viewers at home. Yes, Michelle, as you have explained, the problem that we have is that pharmaceutical companies are always putting profit before the lives of the people. Majority of the people across the world are dying of cystic fibrosis, cancer, and many other illnesses. And it's not like there is no effective treatment to treat cystic fibrosis or cancer or any other illness. But the problem is that these medicines are too expensive for poor and the working class background people to afford them to save lives. It is against that reason we are taking this matter to court as friends of the court so that we can be able to show the court as to say what does it mean to be poor and unable to afford to buy medicines to save your lives. And if health is a fundamental human right, it therefore means there needs to be access to affordable and effective medicines for all people, irrespective of class, gender, and affordability. So all what we are doing here is to join this case as the friends of the court, not only to support the person who has applied, but to support millions and millions of other people who might die due to not being able to access the life-saving medicines.
Yeah, not a good look for Big Pharma because Vertex, which is the pharmaceutical company involved here, doesn't sell the drug in the country, in our country, or for that matter, in any places, any developing nations around the world. But it has patented the drug here.
That is the problem which we have. That's why also as TAC, we are urging the South African government, especially the Department of Trade and Industry, to speed up the process of enacting South Africa's Intellectual Property Rights and Patent Laws Act, so that as the country, we can be able to apply the TRIPS flexibilities in the form of compulsory licensing, where the brand is expensive. We are able to make sure that there is generic medicines that are accessible and available for poor people in order for us to be able to save lives. If, as South Africa, we were able to force pharmaceutical companies to reduce prices of ARVs in the country in order for the majority of the people to be able to access them. Therefore, even in this case, we've got the power, we've got the muscle to put pressure